Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to unlink Facebook and Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, you may open your Instagram app on your mobile device. Go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. In your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. At the topmost part of the menu, you'll see Settings and Privacy, and tap on it. Again, at the topmost part, you'll see your Account Center, and tap on it as well. Here, you'll see your Meta Account Center. You may also access this via Facebook by firstly opening your Facebook account, then scrolling down to see your settings and privacy. Tap on the topmost option, which is the settings, and then tap See More in Account Center. This is exactly the same as that of what we saw in Instagram. Click on the profiles to see the profiles that are similar to each other. Tap on the account that are linked together. And then here, you'll find the accounts that are synced. Tap on any of the accounts, may that be Facebook or Instagram. And then you'll see that the toggle is on. Just toggle it off and confirm that you'd like to stop syncing those two accounts. And that's it. You successfully unlinked Facebook and Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!